Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete Google Keep Notes. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Google Keep app. Make sure you have already downloaded Google Keep app on your device. When you open up it, it will show you this kind of interface where you can see a list of your notes. Now let me delete one of the note. So for now, let me delete this one. Tap on it for a second. Then it will show you these options. Now go to three dot that is located on top right corner. Now select delete option. And you can see your note has been successfully deleted. So in this way you can delete Google Keep Notes. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.